Resetting your security key on Bitfinex is an important process to ensure the security of your account. Follow these steps to reset your security key effectively. Step 1. Log into your Bitfinex account. Visit the Bitfinex website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure that you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the icon link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Locate security key options. In the security settings, look for the section related to security keys or two-factor authentication. This is where you will find options to manage your security key. Step 4. Initiate the reset process. Select the option to reset your security key. You may be prompted to enter your current security key or complete additional verification steps to confirm your identity. Step 5. Set up a new security key. Follow the instructions provided to set up a new security key. This may involve generating a new key or linking a new authentication app. Make sure to save your new security key in a secure location. After completing these steps, your security key will be reset, and you can continue using your Bitfinex account with enhanced security. Always remember to keep your security information private and secure.